Due to rapid development of global industrial civilization and constant improvements of industrial design quality, there are great opportunities and challenges in the coating equipment industry. Founded in 1995, Liush Group is a national high-tech enterprise and an executive director unit of China Coating Association. Liush is headquartered in Shenzhen and has set up 2 R&D, sales and manufacture bases in Suzhou and Anqing, technical service centers in Beijing, Europe, and India. Liush Company has 700-odd employees and 50,000-odd square meter office and manufacturing buildings, and is equipped with all kinds of professional equipments for laser cutting, sheet metal working, machining, welding, and other processing. Liush has an annual manufacturing capacity of 1 billion RMB, and annual sales amount exceeds 600 million RMB. Over 20-odd years, Liush has focused on liquid, powder, and electrophoresis coating equipment and equipment for coating lines of environmental protection, firefighting, robots, and automation, and become a private supplier of eco-friendly coating equipment with the greatest influence in the industry. Liush always following the market demands, customized the most suitable technical solutions for customers, made technical innovations unremittingly, and pursued perfect product quality. Meanwhile, Liush has taken the lead in popularizing the low-carbon, eco-friendly concept in the coating industry and developed over 10 techniques for energy conservation and emission reduction, including internal circulation air conditioning and efficient residual heat utilization, as well as wastewater and exhaust gas treatment equipment. From up to standard emission to reclaimed water recycling to zero emission, Liush has taken practical actions to promote clean production and develop circular economy. Liush has developed advanced transport equipment, including overhead monorail conveyor system, floor conveyor system, power and free conveyor system, PLC crane hoist and skids. Meanwhile, on the basis of the smart control systems for digital sensing, PLC control and industrial Ethernet technology, Liush has guaranteed the safe, stable operation of its production lines and offered the advanced functions including digital transmission and storage and internet-based remote assistance and monitoring. Liush has devoted itself to the development of application techniques for industrial robots. Through exchanges and cooperation with internationally well-known manufacturers, more and more coating and transport robots are applied to coating lines to gradually realize unmanned workshops. Quality is the life of enterprises. We carry out strict quality standards in every links of design, raw materials, purchased parts, and manufacturing techniques, and aim to build the best coating equipment brand in China and keep pace with the world-class German, American, and Japanese brands. Liush has maintained a good partnership with internationally well-known chemical, paint, powder, and coating system manufacturers, accumulated rich experience, and provided the best techniques, equipment, and services for customers. Our coating lines are widely used in the transportation means industry. Liush has become the first-choice equipment supplier of domestic and foreign well-known auto part manufacturers, including ZF, Benteler, Delphi, Yost, Diecastle, Snecma, Dachangjiang, and Yamaha. The coated products include automotive bodies, chassis, axles, aluminum wheels, steel wheels, windscreen wipers, seats, engines, filters, shock absorbers, fuel tanks, exterior metal parts, interior plastic parts, and parts for trucks, airplanes, high-speed trains, motorcycles, and bikes. The electronic product and home appliance industry has an extremely high requirement on coating quality and the degree of automation. Liush has provided lots of coating lines for well-known customers of the industry, including Foxconn, BYD, Hitachi, Daikin, Mitsubishi, Panasonic, Toshiba, Changhong, Haier, Skyworth, Medea, Gree, and Hisense. The coated products include mobile phones, computers, refrigerators, air conditioners, washing machines, televisions, compressors, water heaters, kitchen appliances, heaters, telephones, and sewing machines. The engineering and agricultural machinery industry has a higher and higher requirement on coating quality, anti-corrosion performance, and equipment automation. Liush provides customers of this industry including Caterpillar, John Deere, AGCO, Kubota, Hitachi, Doosan, XCMG, and Yuchai, with high-quality equipment for coating of parts including sheet metal parts, structural members, engines, and continuous tracks. Our coating lines are also widely used in textile machinery, machine tool, elevator, pump valve and pipe, equipment cabinet, forklift, wind power, electric motor, door, pneumatic element, and aluminum curtain wall industries. Our customers include Huawei, Rieter, Grob, Witter, AVK, Wacom, Torin, Yonghang, Rich, Tyson Krupp, Nidec, SMC, and CKD. After development in the past 20 years, Liush has become the first choice for customers in China's coating industry. Relying on economic globalization and the Belt and Road Initiative, Liush has gone global rapidly. Our products are exported to Japan, South Korea, Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and Africa. We introduce Made in China to the world with first-rate techniques and quality. We will aim to become a world-famous enterprise and strive to create value for customers and make contributions to society. We look forward to cooperating with you.